Missed one word? Do not freeze. Say Mao ichido onegaishimasu. It means one more time, please. Nihongo EXP. Quest 6. Mao ichido onegaishimasu. Quest 6-1. Learn the repeat request that saves a listening scene. Missing one word is normal. The useful move is to ask for one more time before you guess.
もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。ゆっくりお願いします。
Quest 6-2. Listening Rescue Map. Choose the rescue phrase for the problem. If you miss the line, say Mao ichido onegaishimasu. If the speed is the problem, Yukuri onegaishimasu asks for slower speech. If you still do not understand, wakarimasen is the honest rescue line. Use Mao ichido onegaishimasu when you need the same line one more time. Do not answer randomly just because the scene feels fast. Ask again first.
お願いします。
Onegaishimasu alone can accept an offer, but Mao ichido onegaishimasu asks to hear the line again.
Mini dialogue.
A cashier says something, but you missed it. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
袋入りますか？もう一度お願いします。
This works because it is polite, short, and it keeps the conversation alive. Quick check. Staff says something fast. You missed it. What do you say?
Correct.
A. Mao ichido onegaishimasu. Missed it means ask again.
もう一度お願いします。
Mistake clinic. If you guess too fast, you may answer the wrong scene. Mistake clinic. Do not answer randomly when you miss the line. Ask for one more time first.
もう一度お願いします。
Battle start. 3 listening and request scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. A cashier says a line too fast. You missed it. What do you say? Answer. A. Mao ichido onegaishimasu. Missed it means ask again.
もう一度お願いします。
Question 2. A cashier offers a bag. You want it. What sounds natural? Answer. B. Onegaishimasu. Offer plus one, it means yes, please.
お願いします。
Question 3. A cashier offers a bag. You do not need it. What do you say? Answer. A. Daijoubu desu. Offer plus no need means no thanks.
大丈夫です。
Today's rule. Missed it? Ask for one more time before you guess. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。
Nice. You cleared the Mao ichido onegaishimasu quest. Next quest, Hajimashite, the first meeting pair. Subscribe to keep leveling up.